Hello everyone, today I'm going to give my review of the Eat Me Guilt-Free Protein Brownie in a birthday cake. And birthday cake is one of my favorite types of protein, bar, treat, you name it. So I'm excited to have a brownie that tastes like birthday cake. This is going to be cool. This has potential, because the texture in these is actually like cake. So in one of these brownies, birthday cake brownies, 60 grams, 207 calories, 12 grams of fat, 1.5 grams of saturated fat, 13 grams of carbohydrates, with 4 of these being fiber and 9 of these being sugar, and 14 grams of protein. So it's not overly high in protein, but you'll see why. And it makes up for it. And ooh, this is literally a piece of birthday cake. Like, this isn't even a brownie. That's just straight up birthday cake. I expect this to be pretty good. Definitely need water with this. That's dry. But it's actually really good. It tastes exactly like birthday cake. And the texture's there too. Like, that is really interesting. Big jug. Yeah, I'm a fan of that one. This actually is probably my favorite. The chocolate brownie was really good, but I think I like this a little bit more, just first bite impression. This actually tastes like cake. That's probably the recipe they used in this. Treat it more like cake versus a brownie, because that feels like a kind of want to get like low calorie or low fat Cool Whip and put that on top. Healthy but delicious. Now, it is very dry. That's okay. With that amount of protein in it, it's worth it. I'll see if I can finish this on a video, because it's kind of dry. And I'm almost out of water, so I'm going to buckle down and get this into me. ASMR channel now. I'm trying to pump out a bunch of content now just to get some more videos up on the platform. But that brownie cake, I think that's a 9 out of 10. Like, I love that. If I had more water, it would have been like amazing. So it's a little bit, I take a point off for like the dryness. But overall, it's actually like, if you like birthday cake like that, minus how dry it is, you probably would not notice the difference. It's just a little bit different than normal cake, if that makes sense, just because it's dry. And the texture is a little bit different, but it's still cakey, and like the texture in all those brownies is really good. That was probably my favorite, but the chocolate brownie was also very good, and I had one that was a little bit more moist, so I hate using that word, but sometimes they have different batches and some of them have better quality and that sort of deal, so your mileage may vary. But thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.